All right. The pool is in. It's set up. The water's crystal clear, but as you can see, the pool is lacking. And if you see all that cedar over there, I'm about to dress it up a bit. So take a look at how nice the pool is. So yes, the pool is lacking, but I am never slacking. So this is some mulch that I had around the previous pool. I kind of filled it in here. I did take a hose and wet it all down. Now if you're asking why did I wet that down, because I'm going to put some vegetation killer here, and I do not want the vegetation killer just to be absorbed into the mulch. I want it to go into the dirt or into the top where it would grow. So I did that all along the edge. Go ahead and top it with that mulch I got sitting there. And put these timbers all along the edge. So if you want to see what it looks like at the end, be back for the follow-up video. But the pool will look a lot more, I got to really back up. I'm more dressed up and nice looking, more presentable with that cedar chips all the way around. And if you're wondering why I'm using cedar, because cedar is a natural deterrent for spiders, bugs, animals. And if you know kids, they're eating pops, chips, and everything else dropping around the pool. So it will help keep those guys away and not be a red flag to come over here and have a field day around your pool. So be back for updated video to see how that looks. But man, it's gonna look pretty kick-ass when it's done. Watch and see.